Hello, this is Teuvo Ronkainen from Finnish Saturday School in Camberley, and I made a few pointers from our last lesson. So, the theme today is some colloquial verb forms. Olla, to be. So normal correct forms are minä olen, sinä olet, hän on, me olemme, te olette, he ovat. And here on the right we can see how they get shortened. Mä oon, sä oot, hän oo, se on. In colloquial sometimes hän is replaced by se. And then me oomme, or you can also hear me ooma and me ollaan, which is very colloquial but commonly used. And then te ootte, or te ootta, and he or ne ovat. The next one is tulla, and tulla the pairs go. Minä tulen changes to mä tuun, sinä tulet, sä tuut, hän tulee changes to hän or se tulee. And in some dialects or areas you could hear even tuloo or tulloo. And me tulemme changes to me tuumme or me tuumma and me tullaan. Te tulette, te tuutte or te tuutta, and he tulevat is the same, he tulevat or more colloquially ne tulevat. Okay. And the next one is mennä. Minä menen, mä meen, sinä menet, sä meet, hän menee, changes to hän or se menee, and me menemme becomes me meemme or me meemmä or even me mennään. And te menette changes to te meette or te meettä, and he menevät, he or ne menevät. And the last one of these verbs that takes a shorter colloquial form is panna. Minä panen becomes mä paan, sinä panet, sä paat, hän panee is the same, hän panee or sometimes colloquially se panee. Me panemme, me paamme, or me paamma, me pannaan. And te panette, te paatte, te paatta, and he panevat remains the same, he panevat, or you can use the demonstrative pronoun ne panevat. And then also the pronouns have shorter forms, like minä becomes either mä or mie, depending on the part of the country where you come from. And minua becomes mua, that's the partitive form. In genitive, minun becomes mun, so it's that I-N in the middle that is left out. Accusative, minut becomes mut. In the same way, sinä has that I-N in the middle, so that can be left out, and sinä becomes sä or sie, especially in Karelia or in Tornio area, the border river between Sweden and Finland. Sinua becomes sua, sinun is sun, sinut is sut, and hän remains pretty much the same in most parts of the country. Hän, sometimes in Karelia you hear hää, or then use the word se instead of hän. So the partitive of häntä is hän is häntä, and partitive of se is sitä. So no changes there. And genitive is hänen and sen, and the accusative is hänet or sen. And the plural forms mete he, there is no real change there. Me, meitä, meidän. What happens with these genitive forms is that in some areas the D is not pronounced, so it's omitted, meidän. Or you can almost hear a little y sound inserted meidän. Meidät, meidät. Te, teitä, teidän or teidän, and teidät becomes teidät. And he or ne becomes heitä and niitä in partitive, and heidän in genitives heidän or nien, and accusative of heidät, he becomes heidät, and ne remains the same because it's inanimate form. But it is used also for people, which is not grammatically correct, but it is colloquial. And further use, I've given a few examples here, like mä tuun heti, minä tulen heti, I'll come soon. Tuutko sä huomenna, tuletko sinä huomenna, tai tuut sä huomenna. Osaako se mitään, osaako hän mitään, is the correct form. So, does he know anything, can he do anything. Onko mä myöhässä, olenko minä myöhässä is the correct form. So am I late. So this is pretty much the recap of last Saturday's lesson. So thank you for listening and please give me feedback. Thank you. Kiitos. Moi moi.